Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today I'll show you the easiest way to create a quick flowchart for your ideas, presentations, or any purpose for free. Let's get started. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to provide the steps needed to create a flowchart. I'll enter my request. Give me the steps to organize my workplace. And look at that, we have a detailed list of steps. We'll ask ChatGPT for the mermaid code to create this flowchart. Once we have the code, we'll copy it. That's all we need from ChatGPT for now. Now open New tab Search Draw.io. Once there, click on the plus sign, go to Advanced, and select Mermaid. Delete any existing code, then paste the code you got from ChatGPT. Click Insert and your flowchart will appear. Now you can customize your flowchart. Change colors, adjust shapes, and modify the arrows. Once you're happy with your flowchart, go to File, select Export As, and choose your preferred format, JPEG, PNG, etc. Save your file and you're done. And there you have it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.